In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply color palettes to your design in Canva. If you've ever spent too much time tweaking individual colors, this will save you time and help your design feel cohesive with just a couple of clicks. Start by opening the project you want to work on. Once your design is visible on the canvas, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Design. This opens a panel with creative tools for quickly transforming the look of your project. Inside that panel, switch to the Styles tab. Think of styles as your shortcut to professionally matched looks. It's where Canva groups color palettes and coordinated font options so you can refresh your design without rebuilding it from scratch. Here, you'll notice several helpful sections. You might see brand kits from Canva, which surface palettes tied to brand settings you've created. If you've uploaded images, you'll also see color palettes from your pictures. Canva automatically pulls dominant hues from your photos, so your design can match the images you're using, which is perfect for a unified, polished feel. There's also a combinations area that pairs palettes with fonts, plus standalone color palettes and font sets, and more curated options to explore. To recolor your design, simply click the color palette you like. The change happens instantly. Canva applies the palette across the elements in your layout, updating shapes, backgrounds, and other editable colors so everything feels consistent. If your design includes text, choosing a combination that includes fonts can adjust typography as well. But if you want to keep your current font choices, just stick with the palette-only options in the Styles tab. That way, you refresh the colors while preserving your existing type look. As you try different palettes, watch how the mood of your design shifts. Warm palettes can make a layout feel friendly and energetic, while cool palettes feel calm and modern. Palettes pulled from your photos are especially useful for product shots, event images, or any design where the picture should guide the theme. And if you see brand kit palettes, those are ideal when you want to stay on brand and consistent across multiple projects. That's all you need to do. Open your project, go to Design on the left, head into Styles, and choose the color palette that fits your vision. In seconds, you'll have a cohesive, professional look without manual color picking. Give it a try on your next design and see how quickly your work comes together.